So we thank you, Yahweh. We thank you for your words. We thank you that you are starting us out on this evening of prayer and worship and fasting, where we turn our face away from the world and we turn our face back to you. And we think about what you have done for us, what your intentions are for us, what your love is for us, who it is that you made us to be, what is our identity. We thank you that you reveal yourself to us as we spend this time focusing on you, and that you confirm our word with your testing signs and miracles. And you speak through us and you proclaim your good news unto all of creation. That you lead us in the words, you bring the words up into our mouth, that as we pray for the nations, as we pray for the people, as we command your truth over all of creation, that your word will be the word that comes from our mouth. Not our own selfish desires, not the lusts of this world, but your love for all of your people and all of your creation that has set us free from the bondage that we were put into. And you have released all of creation from this bondage through the work of Yahoshua HaMashiach that brings us into this newness of life. Father, I thank you that you have risen us up anew to walk in this new life abundantly with you and sharing your word with us to the full revelation of who you are, that we can walk as you and be just like you, be children of Yahweh in every aspect of our life. Father, you are worthy of all of our praise, all of our worship, and in your mighty name, Yahoshua HaMashiach, our Yeshua, we pray in your name, the name above every name. And we say, so be it according unto your will, to us and to every believer. Your will be done upon this earth. Amen.